Hello and welcome to your GK class again, my dear students. In the previous class, we have discussed about the person in news, the personalities in news, which was mentioned on your page 25 of your GK textbook. Today, we'll be continuing that phase and we will be moving to the next page, that is page 26. The person in news. These are the personalities from India, the national personalities. Let's have a overlook about these personalities, why were they so special, why their name are being enlisted here. So let's start with one of the educationists, that is Gangadhar Prasad Vimal. He was a professor. Unfortunately, he passed away in December 23rd, 2019. He was an eminent professor in various dignified universities of India. He also served in Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi, JNU, as a professor. The next personality is Sriram Lagu. Sriram Lagu was a theatre stage artist. He worked in many TV serials as well. He also passed away in the same month, December 17th, 2019. Okay. Now the next personality, he is from the business world, from entrepreneurship, Cyrus Mistry. Cyrus Mistry was declared as on a high rank, chairman rank of famous Tata Group. But due to because of few pros and cons of the company, few rules of the company, he was denied from his regular work in the company as a chairman. So on December 18, 2019, one of the legal tribunal declared his designation as valid again. He was he was being declared, being given relief from the tribunal that he can act as a higher official of that company. Fine. Now the next personality in the lineup is Mr. Girish Chandra Chaturvedi. Mr. Girish Chandra Chaturvedi was sorry, he has been announced as the chairman of NSE, National Stock Exchange of India. This announcement was being done on December 6th, 2019. Most of these happenings are from the December months, except few. Lieutenant Shivangi, she was the first woman pilot of India to be surveillancing through aircraft as a surveillance pilot. Okay, surveillance pilot. She is closely associated to the Indian Navy as well. On December 2nd, 2019, she was being designated for her this special task in which she was given the duty of surveillancing a particular area through her aircraft, through a jet craft. Okay. Another example is also from women empowerment, the Nari Shakti of India. Jyoti Sharma, the Lieutenant Colonel rank officer, Army officer, she has been designated as India's first Indian Army Judge and Advocate General. Okay, maybe she would be the first lady who is being recruited on this post. This recruitment was announced on November 14th, 2019. In this designation, in her duty, she would be traveling overseas also to the countries abroad to take care of after the judgments for all related to the Indian Army. Okay. Next personality is a very famous personality. It's not a dependent on the introduction that I have to give. That is Virat Kohli, the Indian cricket team captain. Virat Kohli was awarded by an organization called PETA, PETA. PETA works for the welfare of animals, fine, animals, birds, all these living creatures. He was declared as the person of year on November 20, 2019. Fine. Now coming to the next personality, it is a case of Demise, Mr. T.N. Session, he was former Chief Election Commissioner of India. He was a very strict person and he brought many reforms in the election and electoral system of India. Many of the good changes was being implemented by him. If I say of electoral machines, yeah, many other those things, those digitally implementing those elections. He passed on away on November 10, 2019, and he was an IAS officer. Okay, so dear students, these were the personalities which are mentioned on your page. Next comes the international personalities that hopefully we will be discussing in our next upcoming video, yeah, next lectures. Thank you and have a nice day.